the seatbelt catcher. Right, here comes Anthony. He's taking the final wheels to come into the final wheels of the finish. He crosses with a 65.201, 65201. He was the winner last year of the prize, the big prize at the Christmas banquet. He won the Skip Barber School. And if he wasn't already a fast racer, he's even faster now. In fact, while we're on that subject, the Christmas party is coming up. Both real ones and Jokester Awards, which are always a lot of fun. Heckle your friend. Food is always good. Company's always great when you're among Martin Sports Car Club people. And this is Amanda Lachura. She is actually Lewis Murphy's girlfriend. Out there in her Mazda 3. Look at the push going through there. We'll scrub off some speed, going a little bit slower next time.
I didn't say what his time is.
But she's looking pretty smooth.